Hello folks, welcome back for another practice session. Let's see how far we get today. We're going to start out with the 3 V's. We're going to do the 3 6 3 2, which target for 6 and 8. Oh, a little too high there. 1 1 2. Oh, rejected. Almost went off the table. Gotta start dialing. But good thing is we got one of the hottest numbers out of the way. So okay. 11 6 5. I'm trying to minimize the amount of power as possible when I'm using the paw grip. Okay, 9 6 3. Now I noticed doing the 3 V's with this sequence, I'm not getting a lot of 6 and 8, so I'm gonna forward a quarter and do 6 4 2 4, which is still a 3 V, but a quarter away from you. Okay, 4 1 3. Okay, 6 3 3. All right, got to set my point here. What do we got? 3 4 9. So it'll be a 9. Same set. 6 2 4. It's okay to have a nice long row because that's what everybody wants, but it's more important that you land on that number consistently, so that way if you don't have a big bankroll, you could concentrate your betting on that particular number and you start to develop a cluster in that number. 4 1 3. That way you can start having a compound interest work in your favor. So let's say you start off with 1, then you end up with 2, then 2 becomes 4, and 4 becomes 8, and so on, so forth. And when you get to a certain amount, you pull it back out and you start going to 2 again. Five. It's just the way to make money is just you gotta reduce. You know, you gotta build, collect, and bring it down. Most people don't really bring it down, but like I said, it's your money. You do what you want for it. 9 5 4. That worked out pretty well. Didn't have crazy rebound. So we're in the 9th row. This will be the 10th row. This is where the 7 usually pop up for me in the 10th row. But luckily the buttons are off. So if the 7 does show up, it wouldn't hurt that bad. Still using the quarter turn on the 3 V away from me. 3 1 2. Okay, we hit the all short. That's 10th row already, so we're good. Eight, 4, 4. Okay, point made is 8. Okay, I need a 10 and a 12. Eight, 6, 3. I mean 6, 2, 8. Point made. Now here's when I bet on the don't pass line. After I make 2 points, I go on a don't pass line because I know the odds of me hitting the third point is pretty tough, but I do hit it sometime. But I only bet the table minimum, so it's not that big of a deal. $11, 6, 5. Button's still off, so it's still good. If we can keep that button off all the time, would be really good. Now it's 13 roll, this would be 14. This is the average SOR, but I'm thinking I'm somewhere in the late teens and early 20s now. Okay, 3, 1, 2. Button's still off. Again, we get paid on that because it's their don't pass line. I gotta change set because I don't like the way I get 3 horn numbers in a row already. So instead of going with a 3V, I'm gonna go with the 2 V's, and the 2 V's is basically the sister set of the 3 V's. So 5. Okay, 5 is the point. 4, 1, 5. So it's 2V is a 2, 6, 2, 4. 4 and 10. 6, 5, 1. Now we're in 16 row already so far. We're pushing it. Sorry. $12, 6, 6. All right, we just need one number. We need a 10. Okay. Now, let's see if we can do it. We're going to go with a Hail Mary. We're going to set up for the 10 and 4. Still 2V, but we're using the 10 and the inside number. 7 out. Should have left it alone. 2 point. Couldn't make the third. And we did 17 row, crapped down to 18 row. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 row. Not bad. Pretty good. Stable. Just keep practicing. We'll get there. And I'll see you at the next row. Every time I crap out, I'll short the video so that way it's not a really long video, okay? Take care and I hope you keep practicing.